Continuing on, seems like we're break number 5440, run to the 12-13 draft prospects and artifacts. Alright, base cards, Aaron Ekblad, Jason Dickinson, Connor Rankin, Tyler Benson, Eric Lindros, Oliver Bjorkstrand. And a base emerald, number to 50 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Braden Point. We've got a teammates dual jersey silver, which will be random between the Oilers and Hurricanes, Darnell Nurse and Sergei Tolchinsky. Draft year jersey silver for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Autograph, which will be random between everybody, Stephen Harper. Autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers, Samuel Morin. And an autograph for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Adam Ernie. All right, now onto the artifacts. Oh, we've got a rookie redemption for the Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg. Oh, that's not a bad one. Tundra Trios for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Vinny LeCavalier, Martin St. Louis, and Steven Stamkos. Goalie insert to $9.99 for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Rookie to $9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Torrey Krug. Team candidate insert to $9.99 for the Dallas Stars, Brendan Morrow. Patch. Team Canada blue parallel number to 85 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. Dual jersey number to 125 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Auto facts for the New York Islanders, Mike Bossy. Rookie to $9.99 for the Calgary Flames, Sven Berchi. And we've got a jersey and one color patch emerald number to 75 for the Buffalo Sabres, Drew Stafford. Coming up next, Anthology and Totally Certified.